What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. LaShonda Capri here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I got this amazing look using a brand new product, a fairly brand new product by Fenty Beauty. I'm super excited about this because I heard everybody ranting and raving about these. I was like, I gotta go out and get me some and do a quick little review and tutorial for you guys. Using the number 5 Peach. And in each of the shadows comes 6 colors. There's 8 snap shadows altogether. If you're wondering why are they called snap shadows, it's because you could take 2 of the shadows and snap them together. Bam! That way if you want to do your look over here and a look over here, you can. So I thought that was super duper cute and very thoughtful because first of all, it's small enough to fit in your purse. Second, you have 2 shadows in your purse or wherever you're traveling, and you're not gonna lose them. They're like right behind each other. So yeah, so if you want to continue watching how I slay this look, do that. And for all my new people who are just clicking on my channel, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn on the ring of bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. Thumbs up this video, share, and let's jump straight into this video, guys. I haven't really done any makeup tutorials lately just because I did have a little breakout here and I wanted to like give my skin a rest. So let's go ahead and start off with a little bit of primer. I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend primer and it has done my skin well. I'm now gonna go in with a little bit of color corrector under my eyes. I really have a problem with going to sleep at night. I absolutely love being up all night in the middle of the night. It's just been that way my entire life. It runs in my family, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and choose my foundation. I love this foundation. I recently just bought this foundation by Soap and Glory and it's absolutely amazing. Like, I'm like, oh my God. And I was able to get it for $3 on sale. So I got hella lucky. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some concealer. I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Suede. For my nose, just a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of L'Oreal Infallible Stick. take me some finishing powder, and I'm actually gonna just set it into my skin, under my eyes, and my forehead. And usually I would let this sit, but I'm just gonna go ahead and rub this in. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my face. I'm gonna go ahead and take this color here, and this is Hot Pumpkin right here, and I'm gonna put that into my crease. Lighter color here called Bellini Baby. Bellini Baby. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and I'm gonna go up here with it. Color that I'm going to choose to put right where I just did that nice little crease. I'm going to use this middle one called Churro. So almost the lightest, next to the lightest one in the palette. Take a little bit of this first color that I chose and just blend that in there a little bit more. Now I'm just going to remove my tape. And I'm gonna take some of that same color that I had and I'm gonna put that under. I'm gonna go ahead and put just a little bit of blush on. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of highlighter on. And I'm actually going to use my Fenty Beauty Trophy White Kilowatt highlighter. I'm just going to put me on a little bit of liner and throw on a pretty little butter gloss. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Again, subscribe to my channel, and like I always say, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.